Welcome to English Clarity Hub. Today we'll explore the simple present tense. This tense helps us talk about habits and routines, general truths, scheduled events, permanent situations, and instructions or directions. Let's dive in. Habits and routines. I run every morning. He watches TV in the evening. General truths and facts. The sun rises in the east. The earth orbits the sun. Scheduled events. The train leaves at 6 p.m. Permanent situations. He lives in New York. Instructions or directions. To make a cake, first, you mix the flour and sugar. At the traffic lights, you turn right and continue straight for 3 blocks. Forming the simple present. First, let's talk about positive sentences. When we use I, you, we, or they, we simply say the subject plus the verb. For example, they play soccer. But for he, she, or it, we add an S to the verb. So we say, he plays soccer. Now let's look at negative sentences. For I, you, we, or they, we say do not or don't before the verb. For example, we don't play soccer. For he, she, or it, we say does not or doesn't, like, she doesn't play soccer. Finally, let's see how to ask questions. To ask about I, you, we, or they, we start with do. For example, do they play soccer? For he, she, or it, we start with does. For instance, does she play soccer? Let's see some examples of simple present tense. She eats breakfast every morning. He reads before going to bed. I jog in the park on weekends. The sun rises in the east. He watches TV in the evening. Birds fly south in winter. Here are some common mistakes. Remember, with he, she, or it, the verb needs an S. So, he plays soccer is incorrect. It should be he plays soccer. Also, we say she doesn't like pizza, not she don't like pizza. Now it's your turn to practice. Well done! The more you practice, the easier it will become to use the simple present tense naturally. Keep practicing your routines, habits, and daily activities. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to English Clarity Hub. See you next time.